Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of question number 14, exercise 6.5, chapter triangles. So what is given in the question? The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC, from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC at D such that DB equals to 3CD. That thing is given. This part is given. And we have to prove this part. 2AB square, I am going to mark it, equals to 2AC square and total BC square. So how will we prove this part? I'm going to start my question from any of the now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem from any of the right triangle and any of the AB. You can take AC, you can take BC. From one end we have to start, from one side we have to start. So I'm going to start my question from AB square. AB comes in the triangle ADB, or you can say in the triangle ABC. So I am going to take this triangle ADB because I know that this is the altitude and this angle will be of 90 degree. Then I will write in right triangle ADB, it will be AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. That is by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. But in the answer I don't need AD and BD, I want AC and BC. So this is AC and this is BC. So BC, from where I get the BC? You can say that this BD can be written in term of BC. So I am going to write BD in term of BC. How can I write it? AD square as such, and it will be, if I am subtracting, taking to the total side BC minus DC, then it will be of BD square. It will be like that, BC minus DC equals to BD, and whole square I am taking. Now I am going to open it like that. AB square equals to AD square plus, I am going to open this, BC square A square. A minus B ka whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square means BC square, B square means DC square minus 2BC multiplied by DC. So in this part I'm getting AC square. No, there is no any AC square. BC square I am having, this part I am having, but I want AC also. AC comes from this triangle, in triangle ADC. I am going to write it here at the side. AC, from AC, in triangle ADC, what will be AC square? AC square equals to AD square plus DC square. So AD square is this one and DC square is this one. If I am adding these two, I will get easily AC square. AB square equals to AD square plus DC square plus BC square minus 2BD into DC. So if I am adding these two, what will I get? I will get AC square plus BC square. I am very near to my proof because AC square is here in my question answer, BC square is here in my answer, but the other thing is that there are 2BD into DC. So I want to remove this part. So what will I do here? You can see here there is BD and DC, BD and DC. So BD and DC, if I am looking at the figure, BD and DC are the part of BC. Or you can see this part, BD equals to 3 times DC. That thing is given. BD equals to 3 times CD, or you can say DC, or you can write it like that, BD is equals to 3 CD, or which implies that CD is the 1/4 part of BC. This is the third part of, if you can write CD equals to 1/3 of BD. 1/3 of BD, if you are adding 1/3 of BD and the fourth part, it will be the total 1/4 of BC. So CD equals to 1/4 of BC. Now substitute the value of CD here in this part. What will you get? Sorry, here is BC. BC into CD. There is no BD. So I'm going to write BC and BC. So it will be 2 BC into CD, BC into CD, BC into CD. So it will be AC square plus BC square minus 2 BC, and what is CD? 1 by 4 BC. So these will be cancelled out. I'm left with AC square plus BC square minus 1 by 2 BC square. Now you can take the LCM of all these. Here is AB square at that end. So which implies, if I am taking the LCM of this part only, 2 at the denominator, 2AC square plus 2BC square, BC square minus 1 BC square. Where is minus 1 BC square? 2 comes here, 2 comes here, and I am left with 1 BC square. So it will be AB square is equals to 2AC square. 2 BC square minus 1 BC square is 1 BC square plus BC square. You can write it upon 2. Take this 2 on the other side. It will become 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. That is the proof of my answer. Answer number 14. In the next video we will do the question number 15 and 16. So wait for my next video. Thank you very much.